Hey guys, welcome to Photo Crunch in its quick direct series. I have seen a lot of newbies talking about data science, that what it is, how it has revolutionized the way business operate in the modern era, and how they can be a part of this evolution. So I have summarized 5 key essential skills that any individual could learn and become a part of this industry. So let's have a look. Let's start. So number one, Tableau. It's an extremely powerful data visualization software that is very easy to use, easy to learn. Although it's a paid software, but because the ease of use and the way it enables any newbie to generate data visualization at a starting stage of their career, it's certainly could be said to be kind of a data science career hack, right? So if you want to enter this industry, one of the first things you need to do is learn Tableau. Okay. So number two is computer programming, and specifically focusing towards two programming languages, that is R and Python. These two languages are recommended because they facilitate statistical analysis of unlimited complexity, right? Knowing one is enough. Knowing one of these two languages is enough, but if you know the both languages, it will put you miles ahead from your competition. Number three is SQL. So when you're working with data, what you need to understand is how to get to the data before analyzing it. So SQL does that. SQL allows you to fetch your data, manipulate it, and to analyze it for the purpose of data analysis. And also we can say that it's like it shows you the bigger picture and the workflow of your analysis. So it's a clear statement that without the knowledge of query generation that you develop in order to access your data, without that particular skill, data science is not possible, right? So it's one of the key skills you need to learn in the initial stage of your career. So number four is statistics. So when you're playing with data, your number game needs to be really strong. There are many statistical analysis that need to be learned for the purpose of data science. Starting off with logistics, regression, A/B marketing, and the law of large numbers. There are a lot more kinds of analysis for this, but the important thing right now is to get started. So number five are the presentation skills, right? So initially preparing your data, building your models, creating visualizations from your analysis, that is just half of the job done. The equally important part is the way you communicate your analysis and your findings, right? For that, your presentation skills will play a very important role. So in this industry of competition, get ahead of your competition by honing in on your presentation skills. So that's all from our side. If you find this video interesting, like our page, share this video, and also subscribe. Thank you.